today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on your existing Wix website. Landing pages are crucial tools for directing traffic and capturing leads effectively, so let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. Whether you're aiming to gather email subscribers, promote an event, or showcase a specific product, a dedicated landing page can boost your efforts significantly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and select the website you want to work with. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Site Actions, and from the drop-down, choose Edit Site. This will take you to the Wix editor, where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look over to the top navigation menu and find the menu's Pages icon. It may resemble a two-layered stack or a hamburger menu. Click on it to reveal the pages that currently exist on your website. Here's where we'll add your new landing page. At the bottom of the panel, you'll notice a button labeled Add Page. Click it to create a blank page for your new landing. Now it's time to give your page a name. It's wise to name it something descriptive, yet concise, such as Event Sign Up or Product Launch. This helps keep your pages organized and ensures anyone collaborating knows exactly what this page is dedicated for. Don't forget to uncheck the Show in Menu option. This keeps your landing page separate from your main navigation and more intentional in its purpose. With your page created, designing begins. Start by choosing a page layout. Wix offers pre-designed options, but a blank canvas allows more customization. Drag and drop elements such as text boxes, images, and buttons onto your page. Ensure your call to action, whether it's sign up, learn more, or buy now, is prominent and clear. Remember, visitors will decide quickly whether to engage, so keep it streamlined and engaging. As you build, focus on the overall aesthetic. Use colors and fonts that are consistent with your brand. Symmetry and alignment play vital roles in keeping your page not only pleasing visually but also professional and trustworthy. To maximize lead capture, consider integrating a form using Wix's built-in tools. This can gather information like names and emails directly from visitors. Before wrapping things up, let's check the mobile view. Wix provides a handy toggle to switch between desktop and mobile layouts. It's essential your landing page looks great and functions well on all devices, given the prevalence of mobile browsing today. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure mobile users have the same quality experience as those on desktops. Finally, hit the Publish button. Your landing page is now live and ready to work its magic. You can always go back and tweak things as needed based on performance and feedback. That's everything you need to get started with a landing page on Wix. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and as always, feel free to dive deeper or experiment with additional features as you gain confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy building!